Okay, so we're going to try and do density. We're going to try and work out the density of a regular object and an irregular object. First, we've got this. We're going to find out the volume. So the easy way to make the volume is we measure it using a centimetre ruler, and we measure it, and it is 5 centimetres by 3 centimetres by 4 centimetres. Then I measure the mass. The mass is 465.3 grams. And so now, using the equation, density equals mass divided by volume. So it's going to write it down for us. And we might want to convert that into kilograms. And make sure we've got centimetres. And once we've converted, we've got the density. Okay, now to work it out using an irregular shape, obviously we can't measure the centimetres of it. So what we do is first of all we measure the mass. So the mass of our object is 41.7 grams. And then to measure the volume, you have one of these, which is called a Eureka can. Pour water into the Eureka can until water starts to come out. When we don't get any, we put it onto a table so it's nice and sturdy. When we've not got any more water coming out, we then take our measuring cylinder, make sure it's empty. And then what we're going to do is we're going to measure the volume. So this is, oh, we don't want that one. We want the big one, which has a maximum of 50 mil. 1 mil will be equal to 1 centimetre cubed. So we take our rock, we put our measuring cylinder under there, and then we drop that in, and then we wait until we don't get any more water coming out. So we can still see some drops coming out. Nearly stopped. There we go. Okay, let's pretend it stopped. Then I'll put it on the table, and to reduce parallax I'm going to get down to the same level of the water, and that is 14 mil, which is going to be 14 centimetres cubed. And there you have it. You plug those into your formula, and there's how you work out density. Last thing, and that is, how do I measure the density of a liquid? Well, I'll do the similar thing. Let's pretend that my liquid is honey, or something that's not water. I'll put my measuring cylinder on top of the measuring balance, and then I'm going to tear it or zero it. So now I've got 0 on the balance. Now, to measure the mass, I'm just going to pour that in there, however much I've got, like that. And it's going to tell me it's 40.6, that's my mass. And then to measure volume, I just go down and find out what it is, and in this case, it's 42. So I've done regular solid, irregular solid, and liquid. Done.